here's what it sounds like. That sounds pretty good. What's up, guys? I guess I'm gonna go over what I've done with the Blazer here the past couple months. Prop right here. Let's see. All right. First, I pulled the engine out of the Blazer. It was running fine. Everything was good with it. But I had the 5.3, the Gen 4 5.3 with the cam and everything that I was going to put in that other S10. That I sold the S10 because I couldn't transfer it into my name or anything. So I went ahead and put the engine in the Blazer. It's been in here probably about a month, I guess. It's running pretty good. Sounds good, runs good. Everything is kosher with it. I drove it to Orlando, actually, a couple weeks ago for school, for work. Same carburetor. I did put the single plane intake back on it because I am gonna do the turbo and everything, so I went ahead and put the single plane back on it because I did have the dual plane on the other one. Since this one had a cam, a little bit higher compression, I put this one on there. I did also put carpet in it. It's just old carpet, but it's better than no carpet, I guess. I'm gonna make the interior better. From like here forward, I'd like to get new door panels. I'm probably not going to be able to find a new dash. This one's pretty crapped out. But I'll put a cover on it, fix some stuff, new door panels, new seals, all that stuff to make it pretty nice inside. I'm going to get a different seat bracket over there because that one actually split on the front left hand corner, so I'm leaning like a cholo. With this engine, I do have quite a bit more horsepower. It's a healthier engine. It's got new rings and everything. It does have high compression, plus it has the camshaft in it, so it's got quite a bit more power. And I'm having like serious wheel hop issues. It was worse than before, so I ordered a set of Caltracs, which are back ordered right now. I think everything in the country is back ordered. So I've got those ordered. I think they're supposed to ship out the 8th of next month. So in a couple weeks, I'll have those. I'm gonna put those on because it's just really bad wheel hop issues right now with what's going on. Yeah, the engine's running good. Everything's good with it. I swapped it out in like a day. I did put a different torque converter in it, so I'd have a little bit higher stall, so that'll help as well. I got a new cart. It's Mac. I got it from the Snap-on man, but I needed something for the stuff that I use most of the time. They got a lot of stuff in this one, and then I got most of my stuff I use in this one. I got it organized and everything already. Let's look at the engine that I pulled out of the Blazer. It was running fine. There was really no issue with it. I would have to put some coolant in it every once in a while, but I had a leaky radiator, so I thought that it was just the radiator was the issue. Well, I've got PV Blaster in there right now, just kind of soaking because there was a little bit of rust on the wall. And it looks like shit in there. It's just probably crapped out. There's some rust in there. Of course, it's super dirty now. But yeah, this cylinder, number 3 cylinder, had coolant in it. I pulled the head off, was checking everything out, and then I looked at the head actually, and on this cylinder right there, it's cracked. I don't know if it's between the ports or I guess we can take a look. I know these are common about leaking there or being cracked. Here, let's get a crash. But it was cracked and not enough to cause like a major leak where it would overheat and everything, because it ran good and didn't overheat, but enough to leak down coolant. Let's see. Not think eyes, but I guess it doesn't mean anything. But you can see what this one looks like. Let's see what this one looks like. See what this one looks like, and then look at that one. So definitely fucked up head. So that head is garbage. That head is garbage. The short block is still good. I could throw some heads on it. Well, it might still be good. I'm gonna pull that out and hone it and see what's going on. But this bottom end is probably a little clapped out. Not completely, but you know, whatever. But that's all that's going on right now. My Caltrax should be here in a couple weeks. I'm gonna get my Caltrax put on, then I'm gonna get this pump put in and the higher return line put on and get my fuel system done for the blow through. Then I'm gonna start getting all this stuff squared away. I'm gonna get it mocked up and then build the crossover from the manifold that's in there now to this, and get that squared away. Then I'm gonna get from here to the turbo squared away, and then after that, I know I'm gonna be busy messing with the turbo stuff, getting it all tuned and everything. But I'm gonna go ahead and swap in this this steering column. The other steering column is it's a tilt column. It's all right. I like it because of the seat, you know. I like it because I can move it up and get out, because the seat's a little bit of a pain in the ass. It's going to be more when I have a cage in there. But with this column, they didn't used to make a quick disconnect for the S10 column, but now you'd have to get like a universal and weld it on the shaft, and then that would screw up your horn and everything. But with this, they actually have where, you know, I can take this off and there's a quick connect hub that goes on there where you can keep your horn and all the factory crap and everything. So I'm gonna do that and get that done. Trying to sell these headers if anybody wants to buy those. They fit S10 LS headers. There's 1 3/4 tubes. They're Headmans. And also this roll pan if anyone wants to buy that. So thanks for watching.